So record on this. You cannot minimize the Zoom when you record it. Share screen. All right, boom. All right. All right, so here's what we going. The first thing you want to do when you come to the market. So the reason I trade this time, is because I like to trade the Asian range, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at the Asian range on this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna I'll put it another color so you can see it. Let's put it like gray. There you go. So this is the Asian range right there. You got this there, then you got the range here too. You want to see the Asian range. So the Asian range right here, and then you have the Asian range on this one as well, right?
Okay.
So something I noticed around this time is that the market goes up and down. It's gonna go up and down, up and down. Like it's gonna go play ping pong. You see how it went here, then here, then here, then here, and it plays ping
Yeah.
pong. So you could
Okay.
catch like an entry here, close here, catch another one here, and like back and forth, right?
Okay.
You gotta know what to look for when to go in. So personally, what I look for, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at the whole range. All right, so let's look at this whole range. Where are we in the whole range? So in the range, we're gonna put our fibs from top to bottom, right?
Okay.
And this is the 50% right here. That's the 50%, right?
Mhm.
So the next one too. Where you guys going, bro? So 50, where are you guys going? Where are you guys gonna go? Let me know. I want to get out of Miami. All right. So 50% here, 50% here, 50% here. So what do I see by doing this, right? I see that based on ICT teachings, you know ICT, right?
Yes, I do.
So anything below the 50, what is it? A discount, right?
Discount, yes.
Anything below the 50 is a premium, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the reason I put this, just so we know where we at in our, are we in a premium or are we in a discount zone, right? So we're in a premium.
Okay.
We're in a premium right now based on this, right? Because
Yeah.
we're trying to scalp right now. We're not trying to find like a big move, you know? We're just trying to scalp it before London. So
Okay.
now that I know I'm in a premium, what am I going to look for? I'm going to look for sales, right?
Sell off, yeah.
Right. So hopefully we get like a nice little sell to come down here, right? For London, like take this liquidity out, and then they get the expansion. But we also got to look at the bigger time frame. As you could tell, the market is extremely bearish right now, right?
Bearish, yes. Yeah.
Super bearish. But there is a fair value gap right here. Like we got to take that into consideration as well. It hit the gap. It's filling the gap. Now it's shooting back up. So there is potential for the market to do like a pull back up. But I suggest let's just stick to what we got right now, right? Let's just try to scalp it real quick. So now we're here. I'm gonna do the same thing, same process. I'm gonna zoom in now in the 1 minute. I'm gonna zoom in the 1 minute. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit just so I get a better picture right there. So now this is when I start dissecting the trade, right? So I'm gonna start dissecting it. I'm gonna see what's the market trying to do. So right there, it did like a little pull back up. So it's showing like a little break of structure, right? There's a little break of structure right there. So I'm gonna put this low because it broke those highs, right? So to
Okay.
me, that signifies something already, right? Because it's breaking this accumulation right there. Boom. Same thing
Mhm.
here. And the reason I do the market with all of them is because these three pairs, they're sister pairs. They move together, right? They're sisters. US 30
Yeah.
and 500 and NAS. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now we zoom in even more. Let's take a look even closer. So now it did that break, it broke right there, it broke right there. So we're gonna look at this now. What is it? What kind of candlesticks is it giving me, right? So something that I learned from one of my mentors, he taught me to look for the candlesticks, right? Shout out to the Scalp
Okay.
King. So, but it's still dropping. So we patient. We patient. We're gonna be patient. Gotta wait for a
Okay.
nice. I'm waiting for like a nice wick. Like right here, there's a hammer. There's a shooting star right there, right? The shooting star. So that indicates the market might continue to go down, right? In the 5 minute,
Yeah.
look at the shooting star right there. All of them have the shooting star, right? So that's something that I look at. That's something that I'm going to look at to determine where the market is heading, right? Boom. But let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. There is an order block right here, right? You got this order block right there. Remember, we're just scalping, bro. We're trying to find like a nice quick scalp. Boom,
Okay.
boom, right here, boom. So we waiting. Right now, we're still waiting. I don't want to jump the trigger. I don't want to pull the trigger too early. You know, I don't want to get caught up on drawdown. I'm trying to find like a nice sniper entry. Like there is a lot of liquidity out here. Like if we were to look at this, like this range right here, we just got to the 50, right? So I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I don't see nothing I like yet. I'm gonna put the wing side again. So it just broke through the 50 here too. Broke through the 50. So I'm just trying to find a pattern. I'm trying to find like a pattern that I like, so I could like try
Okay.
to execute, you know, because this is the Asian range. We established this is the Asian range. So most
Mhm.
likely, I already see the move. I see the move. The move,
Okay.
this is gonna be the move. So the move, let's take this out. Take this out. So we're gonna wait for this market to come over here, because US 30 likes to come to the 100% retracement, like right here, and then
Okay.
gonna do like a nice pullback. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all of them. And for me to execute that buy, I need all of them to be in that area. Like I'm not gonna pull the trigger into all of them come here, right? Because sometimes what Nas likes to do, Nas likes to stay here for a little bit, and this one will come down here, right? They will come down here. But if Nas haven't made it to that area, that means that US 30 might continue to drop. So once I see something I like, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get my entry. I do something called divergence.
Okay.
I do it based on divergence. So right now, boom, boom. You're a good student, bro. All right, so we waiting. We waiting. We
Okay.
waiting. I see a lot of wicks. You see, I see that. You know, I see a lot of wicks here. Wick, wick, wick. A lot of resistance. Wick, 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 wick. You know, so it's creating liquidity. It's creating liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to sucker buyers. You know, they're trying to sucker buyers. They're trying to get
Yeah.
people to buy this right now. Why?
Mm.
Nas already dropping. Nas already dropping. So Nas took out the liquidity, and this is what I call divergence. If this one doesn't break that low, like I saw this one break the low, boom, it broke the low, right? This one's haven't,
Okay.
this one's haven't broke the low. This one's haven't broke the low. Actually, yeah, there's a candle right there, yeah. So that one did break it, like it gapped. You see how it gapped? The candle's right here. So it
Yeah.
did break the low. So look, we got this one haven't broke the low. This one haven't broke the low. So this is what I call divergence. Okay, never mind. Okay, if this one doesn't break the low, that's a divergent, and that's indicating me that it's gonna go for a buy, right? But let's
Yep.
wait. Let's wait. Let's be patient. We don't want to pull the trigger too early. We waiting. We waiting. Like that will be a nice buy right now because it is at the order block. I'm just waiting for extra confirmations.
Okay.
For extra order block, you see, boom. But there you go. It's still dropping. It's still dropping. Never mind. That's what you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. Even if you see something you like, look in the 5 minute is weird. In the 1 minute you can't see it, but in the 5 minute you see the drop already. All right, so
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
it's gonna continue to drop. You see they're all dropping. They're all dropping. Now you start like feeling that you start getting the feeling with the pair, right? Now you're feeling it out. You're feeling it out. You gotta like get in tune with like you gotta get like in tune with what's going on. You know, like you gotta see the pattern. That's what I do. I look at the patterns that it's creating.
Okay.
So at the moment, so that one wicked out, wig. It broke that low. Now it's showing me a nice little pull back here, pull back there. Let's look at the 1 minute. Let's look at the 1 minute here. No, I still don't like what I see. I don't like what I see. You know, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait longer. I'm gonna wait longer.
Mm-hmm.
It's a waiting game at the end of the day. I want to get a nice scalp that's going to be profitable. I don't want to be in drawdown, you know, because I
Yeah.
don't being in drawdown. Because if I'm in drawdown, usually I will put my stop loss down here. My stop loss should be below. Always you put a stop loss. Your stop loss should be below the lows.
Yeah.
So your stop loss should be somewhere down here, right? That should be your stop loss. Stop loss should
Mm-hmm.
be this one down here. Your stop loss should be below that low, right? Because this is the
Okay.
range. That's the range. So we're waiting for it to. We need it to drop more. I want it to drop some more because the more it drops, right now we're at the 61%, right? I want it to
Yeah.
drop to the 100%. That's the entry we're looking for at the 100%. So we're waiting.
Okay.
We're waiting. We're waiting. Right there. We're waiting. Right there's a 100%. So we wait. Same thing here. Same thing here. We waiting. Boom. The 100%. Let's see what else is happening. Let's just wait. Let's be patient. I'm not
By
seeing.
the by the
Go
by the
ahead.
way, what broker do you use?
So this is for the Forex challenge. The Forex challenge.
Okay.
This is a Traders Global demo, which is my Forex funds. So let's say
Oh,
you
oh,
want to do a 20K account. That's what I do now, bro. I stopped using my own money. I'm just trying to get funded, get funded. Use other people's money. Cause why put your money at risk when you could use these people's money, right? And at the
mm-hmm.
same time, you're developing your skill set. Even if you're trading demo, you have no idea the amount of knowledge you're gaining just through by trading here because here you're putting your money to play for you, right?
Yeah.
So you have to apply all the rules you have learned. So let's talk about rules. I always talk about this in my calls, right? So I
Mm-hmm.
always talk about risk management. While we wait, we could talk about risk management. So let's say risk management in regards to the funding challenges, right? So let's say you have
Yeah.
a what let's say you got the option 10,000, you got 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, up to
Yeah.
300,000, right? So
Correct.
let's keep it simple. Let's do a 10,000. So with a $10,000 account, the max you want to risk per trade is 0.5%. It seems like a little bit, but dude, it's important for you to risk only max 0.5%. And if you really have to risk more you're gonna risk max 1%, right?
Yeah.
But you gotta keep it in below this. So what we're saying, we're gonna risk between 50 bucks, 50 bucks to 100 bucks, right? That's the
Mm-hmm.
risk we're doing. And how do we determine the risk now, right? Let's say you don't know what broker you're at, you don't know where you like. So you could either drop a 0.01, right? You could drop a
Mm-hmm.
0.01 just to measure it, right? I trade from my laptop, so
Okay.
0.01, and I go for a. Let me see. I like a buy right there. So buy, right? So I'm gonna put the stop
Okay.
here, and as you could see, it's like a 5 pip stop loss, right? 5 pips.
Okay.
So it's a real small entry, right? Because we're in the 1 minute. So we still
1 minute. Okay.
wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We keep waiting. It's a waiting game, bro. It's a waiting game. You don't wanna jump the trigger, pull the trigger too early.
Mm-hmm.
You could always
Sure.
measure with this too. You could always measure with this. So you see how it says 47. So in reality, you would think it's 48 pips, but in reality, it's just five. You know, that's why I took the
Mm-hmm.
0.01 and I measured it.
Okay.
Waiting. It's a waiting game, my brother.
It is.
Dun, 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 dun. We waiting. Let's see what else it's still showing bearish momentum. You see, bearish. So I'm not seeing anything I like yet. So right here, let's see if we could get a divergence. So what I do, I get that low right there. Boom, that's that low. So we get the low here as well. It's all about like attention to detail. Right there, you have the flows forming. Right here, you have this flow. Right, boom, we got that low. So let's see what's going to do, how it's going to react around this area. So I want to see like a divergent. That's the only that's the only way I'm gonna pull the trigger. If I see like a nice divergent. Because I know what I like. I like this. It's already below the 50. See, this one's shooting up. That one's shooting up. This one's still going down.
Yeah.
But we waiting. We waiting. We waiting. See this one that's the inverted hammer. That's a bullish candle. I like that candle.
Yes. Inverted armor. Yeah.
Right there, inverted hammer. I like that. There's a the OG. So see, that's what you want to look at. You want to look at this. That's attention to detail. You want to look at the candles that are forming.
Yes.
Boom, we waiting. We waiting. We waiting. We still waiting. We waiting. We gonna wait longer. I want to see like maybe more retest here. For me to pull the trigger here for a buy, I'm a wait. I gotta wait. Cause I know myself. I know myself, and I know US 30 likes to come to the 100% retracement. So usually
Mm-hmm.
30, what they do, they come over here, take all these buyers out, do like a nice turtle soup, and then shoot up, right? But it could also
Yeah.
continue going down, right? Because look,
True.
right, you got all that liquidity down here. So we're just gonna wait. We gotta be patient. See, boom, it broke that low. It broke that low. It just broke that low. It just broke that low. So what that means is gonna continue to go down. We wait now, but here is showing a divergent. That's what I'm looking at. See, that's the divergent right there. You see how those broke the low and Nas didn't break that low?
Yeah.
That's what I'm referring to as a divergent. So right now, since those broke the low, right? This one's broke that low, and Nas haven't broke that low. Most likely, this is an area where the market's gonna shoot up, but I gotta wait. I'm still gonna wait more. I'm gonna wait longer.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait longer. Yo, it's still dropping. Yo, no, see, it broke through it, broke through that low. So it's not a good divergent. It's not a divergent no more. It broke the low.
Mm-hmm.
What that means, the market is gonna continue to go lower. So we continue to watch. Let's wait for the next play. It's almost at the area we like, right? At the 100%. It's almost at the area we like over here too. At the 100%. It's almost here at the 100%. So we waiting. See, there's a divergent here. This is what I look for. Up high, look up top. Right there. Boom. That one broke the high. This one didn't break the high. See, this one broke the high. That one didn't break the high. Yeah, we're live. And look, just me and my boy. You want something to say? I could put the volume up. That's cool. Okay. So yeah, this is what this would have been a nice buy right here. That would have been a really nice buy. Why? Because the market came. I mean a nice sell, sorry. I'm saying buys. A nice sell because the market broke that high. You see how it broke the high right here? It broke the high, and this ones did not break the high. And what happened right afterwards? It dropped. That's the kind of entries I like, right there. That's a good example of a divergent. That's a perfect example actually. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the market to do something like this. Like for example here, look at this. You got this low getting taken out, right? Here, the market is not, it hadn't taken out that low. And here, Nas is just doing weird shit, but let's see, right there. So that's the low. Boom. So we're waiting. I'm still gonna wait. I'm still gonna wait. Gotta wait longer. Welcome to the call, Kenny. Welcome to the call.
Yeah.
So
I
we
think the
wait.
network went bad.
Yeah, we waiting. We waiting. We waiting. It's a waiting game right now. Boom, boom, boom. We waiting. I don't like anything I see yet. So this is the low right there. That's the low right there. This is the low over here. So it's all about looking at the lows. For me, my part of my strategy, that's how I'm gonna find my divergence. Like here, you see how the high got broken? I'm looking for something like
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for a low to get broken through, and I'm looking for this one not to break that low. So this one it actually did not break that low. It stayed right there. It stayed right there. This one broke the low. So so I'm starting to like this. I'm starting to like this. I'm starting to see something I like. Right here we got like a nice shoot, like a hammer. That's a hammer. Here we got like some piano, some keys like piano notes. So I'm waiting. I still don't see like something clear. I'm waiting for like a nice wick something. You know, I'm just waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Let's keep waiting. So we spoke about risk management, right? That's super key, my brother. You have to apply good risk management in your trades, right? Like I'm teaching you the strategy, but at the end of the day, ultimately, it's gonna come down to risk management because nobody could trade 100% success rate, right? I don't know
Mm-hmm.
anybody that has a 100% success rate, right? So you are going to
Yeah.
lose some trades. So that's why you gotta always assume that like out of 100 trades, you're going to lose 30, 40, I don't know, even 45% of your trades, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to take that into consideration. Like, what's your win loss ratio, right? So right
Yeah.
there, dropping, take those fibs out, just waiting. It's a waiting game right now. We broke that low right there. We broke that low right there. This one haven't broke that low. All right, we're gonna continue to wait. Just continue to wait. It's a waiting game right now, my guy.
Yeah.
Yo, I canceled my Xbox subscription like 3 months ago. Yeah, I'm not trying to. I'm trying to stay focused on this charge. We waiting. It's waiting game right now. Nas is starting to kind of move up. I like that. But it still doesn't show me anything clear, right? Like I'm waiting for something that's gonna let me know, like, yo, this one's getting my divergence I'm looking for, and the other ones are they're not, you know. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until I see what I like. I gotta stick to the rules, right? But watch,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna catch a nice entry, bro. We're gonna catch something good. Gonna catch something good. Most likely, like I said, it's gonna go to the 100%. 100%. Oh no, I'm on a call with the guys right now. All right, my brother. I'll talk to you soon. That was my mentor, Johnny. He's the one
Yeah.
that
Okay.
he's been mentoring me really good. He's been like teaching me how to scout better. Like my game improved incredibly thanks to him. But you know what I do like, bro? I just saw another move, bro. So there's something called the purge strategy, right? So
Okay.
when you see like this highs get taken out, like right here, this is the 1, 2, 3 strategy. So one, this will be the two, so the one is the highest, right? I
Yeah.
just saw it. So the one is the highest. I mean, then the two, the highs get taken out, and then we want to look for like the three. The three is like a nice retracement, like over here to to this area. So the
Okay.
market, I would like to see it come over here, and that will be like a nice sell. Boom. Right? That's another pattern that I recognize. Because at the end of the day, it's all about pattern recognition. You gotta have like, see right there. Now we have a. I like this. I like what it's showing me. So right there we have a hammer, and this one, I don't know. SPX is really. Oh yeah, I see it. right? You got the hammer there too. Boom, let's see here. Boom, boom. So I like this buy. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a standard. Small stop loss. See, I'm only risking $10. I'm risking 10 right there to catch. Try to catch this this boom right there. I like that because this one is already showing me something I like. See, you got that wick right there. You got this wick. Now it's shooting up. I like this. I like what I'm seeing now. So it'll be good if they all start shooting up right now. That means US 30 is gonna go in profit.
Okay.
All right. So now we just wait. Right now we're like a break even. We look it's looking good. It's looking good so far. Nas is still shooting up. I like that.
No, it's just shooting up. Did you get in NAS?
No, I did a buy on US 30
Oh, okay. Okay.
with a small stop loss, like real tight, like a 1 pip stop loss.
Wow.
Super tight stop loss. Cause look, right now, see, I don't like this. Now it's showing me a shooting star. So it might now it might drop. It might drop or it might not. So this is when we're gonna get our divergent. If it doesn't drop, it might like stay here. Like we want to see something like I want to see Nas do something like this, like come over here and then shoot up more, right? Because it did break this high, which is good. That's an indication that it's changing its market structure, right? We broke that high. Now we needed to break the next high over here. That will be our next target. That's good.
Okay.
Momentum. So right here, let's look over here. Boom, boom. So you got that hammer. You got that hammer. See, I like that hammer. That's the reason I went in. It was at this low. You got the hammer. Here it broke through that low a little bit. And now it started shooting up as well. So that's the reason I took that buy.
Okay.
But like I said, my stop loss is real tight. I'm assuming the risk. I'm only risking $10 to catch. Like
Mm-hmm.
35. So 1 to 3. 1 to 3 ratio. That's pretty good, you know? And if it does hit my stop loss, I'll wait for another entry, maybe down here somewhere, right? Because you still have this huge gap to get filled. You got this
Yes.
gap, right? But like I said, we're just trying to scalp the Asian range. Right now it's 12:30. It's all about timing. At the end of the day, trading is all about timing. That's the reason
Yes.
you don't want to trade in the afternoon. You don't want to trade like you want to find the area at the time that you trade the best. And what I noticed, this is the time where I trade the best between Asia and London, because I'm starting to analyze how the market moves and what it likes to do around these times. And the more you see it, the more you get in tune, the more you get that feel for it, and you understand more or less what the market's trying to do. So you always got to understand, like for example, more or less, right? More or less, during Asia, the market's gonna go like this, right? During
Mm-hmm.
London, you're gonna get like a fake out, and then when you get that low, then it's gonna go towards New York. New York is gonna expand, right?
Yeah.
That's usually the way the market moves, right? So that's
Yeah.
the Judah swing. I don't know Judah swing, right? They call it the Judah swing. They also call it
Yeah.
the PO3. So you got accumulation, you got the manipulation, the M, and then you got the distribution, right? So that's the Judah swing, the PO3, but it's the pattern that the market likes to do every day. Every day. It does the same thing every day. It does this. Asian, London, New York. Or it could be like Asia, London, New York, right? It could be the opposite direction as well. So that's the kind
Yeah.
of stuff I'm looking for. And usually after Asia, London is going to take out, it's either going to take out these highs, right? It's either going to take out these lows, and then it's going to come down more, and then it's going to find a spot where it's going to sit. It's going to sit
Mhm.
somewhere down there, and you could find a really good buy or a really good sell, right? If you catch the low of London, you'll catch a nice little buy, and that one is for more pips. That one's gonna give you 10, 20, even 30 pips. But right now, what we're trying to do is just get scalps. We're trying with the scalp mentality, And one thing I want you to put in your head is not to be attached to the money. A lot of people expect to catch one trade that's gonna give them like 50 pips, right? In one trade. But sometimes the market is just gonna give you one, two, three, four, 5 pips. But with the
Yep.
strategy I'm teaching you, the strategy I'm teaching you, since it's such a small stop loss, you could over leverage. You could over leverage, right? You could drop like 5 standards here and risk
Mhm.
like five, like 40, 30 bucks to catch 100, 200 bucks because it's such a small stop loss, right? And that's what I
Yeah.
call what I call sniping entries. You know, find sniper entries, like small risk, high reward.
True.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm getting you the sauce, bro. I'm getting you the sauce right now.
Mhm.
Hey,
That's in it.
see, now it's still shooting up. As long as that's continue to go up, that means they're all gonna follow. Sometimes XPS is the leader, sometimes NAS is the leader, and
Yeah.
US 30 will follow them, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So as long as NAS keeps going up, that means we're good. We're good. We're good. We need them to keep going up. As long as they keep going up, this buy is gonna go in profit pretty soon. And if it hits stop loss, like I said, it's such a small stop loss. I'm only risking 10 bucks. So I'm good. So,
True. You're good.
and it's a good entry. I like that entry because it was at that low. See here that it broke that low, but Nas did not break that low. Like it actually retested from that low, right? Like, boom, right there. You
Mhm.
see how you just you tested it and it kept going up. Here it broke through it. Here it broke through it. So it's like it is a divergent. It is a divergent because if you were to put it in an angle, like let's take this line out, it's sort of a divergent because right there, this one's like a little bit down. You see? Look at this one. This one's a little bit down, and this one is a little bit down as well, but not as much. So
Not
I
so
think
much. Yeah.
that's a nice little divergence. It's not the best divergence that I've seen, but I also like I said, I saw a hammer, right? You saw the hammer. I saw a hammer here as well. So you gotta remember always to pull out your forex candlestick cheat sheet, right? You want to look at this. You want to memorize this. So look at the hammer, bullish candles, hammer, right? So the hammer indicates a
Mhm.
bullish pattern. There's all these candles indicate bullish patterns. So look what do we see here? Hammer, hammer. And what do we see here in US 30? We see like a DOG, right? That's a DOG,
Mhm.
so you go back to your cheat sheet. Where's the DOG at? DOG, boom, DOG right here. So a DOG is a candle of neutrality. So when you see DOGs, it means that the market might go up or down, but it's not bullish or bearish, but it is an indication that it might reverse. Okay.
Mhm. Yep.
DOG, hammer, hammer, boom. And I think we're in profit. We're in profit a little bit. We're not in profit like a huge amount, but we're in profit. We actually got Williams hopping on in the call. He's one of our main traders in the team. He's the one that's doing the account management for the team. Today we took a L. As a matter of fact, we did take a L, but it was a control risk L, right? We know what we're risking. At the end of the day, as long as
Yeah.
you're able to live with those L's, you could trade the next day and make it
Mhm.
back up. The thing that's why it's so
True.
that's why it's so key to have proper risk management because not all your
True.
trades are going to go your way. Unfortunately, today we lost like maybe like 0.5% on the account, on the main account. But he last week he grew the account by 5%. You feel me? So he grew 5%
Mhm.
last week, and this week he lost one day 0.5%, which is okay. We could live with that. We could live with like a minor loss. But imagine
Yeah.
if you were
True.
like over leveraging. If you were over leveraging, then you're gonna lose 3, 4, 5% in a day, and that's just going backwards. I think he did great. The trade was amazing. He was actually in profit at one point, It didn't hit the TP. It went back, but we learning. It's all at the end of the day. It's all about learning from your mistakes, right? From your lessons. As long as we keep
True.
developing the skill set, bro, we're gonna be master traders. Like I don't know if you guys saw that video I posted here.
Yeah, I saw it.
Like the guy was actually talking about like, let me see, where is it? It was like a Instagram, right? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Am I in the right chat? I swear I posted a video earlier.
Yeah, you posted it on
Right there. So this one. I like what he said. I like what this guy said. That's why I was like, it's like these are some guys from Miami. They're like real big time traders. What's my password? Maybe this one. I wish I could show it. I'll show it later. Anyways, if you guys click
okay.
on this,
But I
click on
saw
this.
it.
Like he talks about
I
like,
saw
yo,
it though.
I like what he said. He's like, yo, people want to be Forex traders. They're trying to make the same amount that the president makes. They're trying to make the same money like a brain surgeon makes, but they want it like in the first year, in the first month, right?
Yeah.
And like, though, to be a brain surgeon, it takes 8 years of
Yeah.
school. Like to be the president of the United States, I think you gotta be like 50 years old, you know? So at the end of the day, bro, we just gotta
Mm-hmm.
like keep mastering the skill set. Keep mastering the skill set. Keep developing yourself, your
True.
mindset. Keep developing everything else. Like I could teach you this strategy, right? But at the end of the day, it's gonna be all about mindset. Because people sometimes they get overconfident. Some people get scared. Like I'm dealing with a trader, like he blew a 100K account like a year and a half ago, right? But I was talking to him like, yo, what's going on? What's going on? Like every week I talk to him, like, what's up? And today, he's like, yo, no, I'm ready. Like he broke out of it, bro. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy he broke out of it. And he finally caught like a $300 trade, you know? But it took time.
Wow.
It took time after you imagine losing 100K life, bro.
Mhm.
That hurts. That hurts.
Wow.
Losing 100, yeah, Williams, I got you, my brother. But imagine losing 100K life, bro. That's traumatic. That's something really traumatic,
Yeah.
bro. That's something that's gonna scar
But
you. It's gonna scar you
you
for
might
life.
not
Go ahead.
yeah, you might not even forgive yourself for it.
Right, right, right. Sure. Let me show you some pics. So yeah, let's look at the account we're managing for one of our teammates, right? Like I'll show it to you guys. We could actually look at it together, and we could look at the L we took today too. Like it's part of the process, right? That's how we're gonna learn.
Mm-hmm.
Like we gotta, we
True.
gotta, we gotta, we gotta, we gotta congratulate ourselves when we're winning, and we gotta actually check ourselves when we're losing. We gotta see what went wrong. It's part of the
Yeah,
process.
true.
It's part of the
Yeah,
process.
it's a process.
That's how you're gonna develop the skill set. So let's see what happened today. Signing in right now. Let's see. Boom. So let's look at the whole last week, right?
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna closing time. Boom. All right. Boom. She wants to see it. I'll show her, but I keep it 100 with my people, bro. I'm not hiding anything. But
Oh,
at the end of the day, it's Forex, bro. It's Forex. And Forex is not easy, dude. Like people think it's easy. It takes time to develop and master the skill set. Like I know people that they've been trading for like years, bro, and they're still developing the skill set. All right, so this was today. Let's look at it. What's her name,
you can't
Magdalena?
see your screen.
You can't see what I'm looking at right now?
No, I can't.
You cannot see. Okay, hold on. Share screen. Can you see now?
Okay, yes, I can.
All right. So this was the L we took today, right?
Okay.
So we lost 2,000 on 250K, right? So let's see what's the calculation on that. So calculator, 250,000 times 0.01. So we lost less than 1%. We lost like let me see, 0.05, 0.01, 0.07, 0.08. So we lost 0.8% of the account today. We could live with
If
that,
that
right?
counts, right?
0.8%.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good. We could live with that loss. But
Yeah, it's not
overall,
even up to 1%.
yeah. So that's good. That's good risk management. That's
Mm-hmm.
0.8 on a 250K. That's good risk management. You know, that's what I like to see. If we're gonna lose accordingly. You know, we're not gonna lose because on some savagery. Like we're not gonna play lotto numbers. We're actually doing it really smart.
Mm-hmm.
And let's look at his wins. Let's look at the wins. So let's look at the profit. Let's look at opening time last week. Let's see. Williams is a beast trader, bro. He's like one of the best traders I ever met. That's the reason he's in charge of the account management. I trust him. I trust him that much.
Mm.
So we want to profit.
But it's a funded account, right?
This is a 250K phase one. We're passing it for a client.
Oh,
We charge around $500 to pass the challenges.
wow.
We do all the work, you know, all you gotta do is chill. So let's look at this. What do we have here? Thank you, boss. You're the best manager I ever met. I got you, bro. I got you. Like it's not gonna be a easy ride. Nobody says it's gonna be an easy ride, right? But let's look at this. Look at these amazing trades. Like he made a G in this one, a G on that one, a G right here, almost a G there. Like, bro, last week he grew the account by 5% in 1 week. You feel me? That's incredible.
Wow,
That's
it
incredible.
is.
You're a beast. You're a monster. That's why he's in charge of the account management. And I'm just watching him, making sure everything's going accordingly. We make a good team. We make a good team.
Mm-hmm.
So as of now, it seems like the market still want to come down. We still hang his stop
Obviously.
loss. We still hang his stop loss. It's still showing us that it's still showing us tendencies that it wants to go up. Because look at that. Look at that hammer, right? We got another hammer showing. So it is showing us tendencies that it wants to go up. You see right here, another hammer. But like I said, US 30 likes to do turtle soups. So let me see. So sorry I have to go now. Catch you guys later. It's fine, Williams. I appreciate you hopping on. I'm gonna go ahead and continue the studies with my guys. So we right now we're just waiting. We're just waiting. It's a waiting game. Actually, let me show you what the trade my other brother caught. Cause this account right here. I'm doing it with my boy,
Yeah.
one of my other boys, the one I was telling you about. Cause I'm all about like working with my people, right? Like these are the guys I've been working with for a long time. So I keep working with them, trying to help them out, trying to develop the skill. It's all about developing the skill. And you need somebody to hold you accountable. I wish I would have had somebody to hold me accountable when I first started trading, right? Like somebody that's like you're conscious. Like, yo, bro, why you over leveraging? Yo, bro, why you doing this? Like making sure like everything's going good.
Mm-hmm.
So let's look at
True.
GJ. What's the trade he's on? GJ, is it CJ? CJ or GJ? Let's see. Add a trader 4. GA. He's in GA. Okay, so let's look at the trade he took. Yo, he got his confidence back. And that's what I was pushing him to do. You know, I was pushing him like, yo, bro, trust yourself, trust yourself. And then he caught this master sell right here. Look at that. Look, he caught that
Oh,
sell. He put a standard. He was confident. He was like almost 50 points in profit at one point. Right now he's doing a nice pullback. But he says, I'm gonna let it go. He's like, he says he's gonna come down here, right? So I'm just gonna let it chill. He says he's gonna come down here. Fine. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna leave his trade alone. I told him, yo, make sure you use that break even, and like it's cool. We just wait now.
yeah,
But he should take at least $100 of this thing, because you never know. Forex is forex, right? The market might come back, retest this whole
yeah,
area, might retest this whole area, and then shoot back down, right? But I'm gonna trust him. I'm not gonna touch his trade. I'm gonna leave it alone, right? We're just gonna keep doing our thing.
yeah,
So right now, with his stop loss, right? It's nothing crazy. It was a $10 loss, you know. So we wait. Now we wait for the next entry, the next opportunity. Most likely, like I said, it's gonna do the 100% retracement all the way to the down here.
okay.
100% retracement down here. That's the area that I would like to see it come to. Maybe like a nice turtle soup and go up.
Mm,
We wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. It's all about waiting. See, now it's doing it again. It's a wig. So I feel like going again, you know? I feel like risking it again. But this time I risk a little bit less. For like a half, right? Because I like that wig. You know, at the end of the day, you just gotta take a gamble sometimes and like risk it for the biscuit, right? As long as you're risking accordingly,
yeah,
this stop loss I could put down here because I'm risking a lot less. So I'll put it below that low, right? So now we wait. Maybe we catch that buy I'm talking about. I'm trying to catch the buy over here. Catch this buy so we could sell again. Because like I said, during Asia, the market likes to play ping pong. Ping pong, look, ping pong. So it's going to do ping pong. And it's only one. So it'll be one. So we still got 1, 2, 2. We got 2, 2, 3. We got like 2, 3 hours still to find entries. That's why as long as
mhm.
quizás qué pereza ese parqueadero de ahí. Pero bueno, toca ir con el móvil app cada 2 horitas, no pasa nada, al final la misma cosa. Solo allá en la playita eso es como un rol los del parqueo.
Mikey, you know something, brother? I don't know. I don't know. Somebody has told you this, or maybe you've heard of it, but somebody has told you. But maybe somebody hasn't told you this recently. But I'm proud of you, brother. I'm freaking proud of you. You know why I'm proud of you? Because you never gave up. You never gave up on the dream, bro.
I'm never gonna give
You
up.
always said to yourself, "You're gonna make it."
I am gonna make it.
Always, whether it was in these companies with all these drug companies,
I'm gonna make
whether
it.
it's with trading, whether it's with whatever. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna make it.
You always had your mindset that you were gonna make it.
Yeah,
You were gonna become successful.
yeah,
And that you were gonna provide for your family,
Yeah.
for your daughter. And for that, brother, I salute you, brother. Because you
Facts.
never gave up. And you're still not giving up.
never gonna
You know
give
what
up.
I mean?
Bro, why
Yeah,
would
you
I
still
give
not-
up?
You still might not be at the place where you wanna be, but you're gonna get there, brother.
I'm pretty
You're
grateful
gonna
where
get
I'm
there.
at. I'm
And I
pretty grateful.
believe, and I
Wow, look at
know
that
for
drop.
a fact you will achieve all the goals and everything you've ever wanted. Why? Because you never give up. You're a gladiator. You're a warrior.
Yeah, we
You
on
let
that beast
those-
mode shit.
You let those those arrows hitting your body. Bam, they hit you. Bam, it hits you. Somebody knocks you out. Bam, you fall down to the floor. But you get back up. But you got that shield. You got the armor of God protecting
Facts.
you at all times.
Facts.
And because of that, brother, I salute you. And
Let's
I'm
go.
proud of you. And I'm proud to call you my big brother, my business partner, brother.
I got you,
And I love
brother.
you, man. God
Love you
bless you,
too.
man. Again, thank you for not quitting on yourself. Thank you for not quitting on me. And we're gonna make this shit happen, bro.
We are.
We're gonna make it happen. I'm
We
telling
are.
you. We're gonna be millionaires, Mikey.
We
I
are.
promise
We
you
already
that.
are
I always
millionaires.
told you that since the very beginning.
We already
We're
millionaires.
gonna be millionaires.
We
one
already
day.
are.
Love you, brother. God bless.
Yeah, I appreciate those words, bro. You know, I got your back since day one. And let's just keep leveling up, bro. It's only up from here. What doesn't kill us make us stronger, bro. So I'm over here doing a little Zoom class. If you want to hop on, you're more than welcome to, bro. Let's get it. So why did I take this trade? Because that's the kind of wicks I like to see. This is what I like to see, like a nice boom. You see that wick? Boom. Look at this wick right here. Boom. That's what I like to see. That's the type of stuff. And then it, like you saw Nas, it came to the area that we spoke about, right? It came to the 100%.
Yeah.
So I like that area. I really like this area. Like I still hadn't seen US study come to this area, right? But Nas came there first. XPX
Yeah.
came there first. So more or less, that's not a divergent. It's almost a divergent, but we gonna hold it real strong. We're gonna hold real quick, see what happens. Either way, we're not risking that much. I'm not even risking like 0.5% on this account. I'm risking
Yeah.
like I'm risking like 0.10%. So we're good.
Sure.
It's all about risk, bro. At the end of the day, you could do 20 trades and you take 20 L's, but you were risking accordingly. Then you catch that one trade that makes up for all your losses in one trade, you know?
Yeah.
Risk management, that's the key. That's the sauce. Risk management. So right there, I do that. Right here, I want to do this. Want to see what it right there. Let's do this right there. A little bit of manipulation. You see, that's a little. They're manipulating the market. Remember, this is all manipulation at the end of the day. They like to manipulate. See, if I wasn't with you guys, I probably would have risked a lot more. But I just want to teach you guys the right way to trade. I don't want to over leverage. I want to do everything how I'm supposed to by the book, you know? When I'm by
I
myself
got you.
and it's just me by myself, it's another story. I'm like risking more. I'm like doing a little more gambles, you know, but I'm always risking accordingly. I'm not gonna blow the account, you know. I'm not gonna blow the account in one trade. You know, it's all about self-control.
True.
Cause this trade, bro, you would have dropped 10 standards here, we would have been up a bag already.
Yeah.
That's why I like sniping, because when you're sniping, you could risk a little more than you usually do because the risk is a lot smaller. So we're just waiting right now. See, we catch that, we catch that right up. That would be lovely. Catch this hole right up. That's 22. Another 22. That's $50. That's good. $50 is good. But it seems like it still wants to drop. Let's see. We just need this to hold right there. Hold the line. We needed to hold the line right there. So we waiting. We waiting. Wow. Let's see. Looks like it wants to come back up. Look at this trade. Liquidity right there. So you might do a pullback for London. So it's coming back down again. Let's see. If it takes that low, we don't need it. We can't let it take that low. We need it to stay above this lows.
Yeah.
He takes that low, that means US30 is gonna do the turtle soup we spoke about. It's gonna come here, do like a turtle soup. And that's the entry I would risk a little more. Because here it's gonna be real tight. It's gonna be a real tight stop loss. That one I'm gonna risk a little more. If it comes down here and I see something I like, that's when I'm gonna go a little bit heavy. But when you're in
Okay.
the middle, when you're in the middle, like here it's still good because if you put your fibs, you're already in the discount. This whole area is a discount zone. So here is good buys. These are good buys. Your stop loss down there, those are good buys. You bought in the discount.
True.
Those are good buys. Yeah, we haven't gotten like that perfect entry. You know, it's still dropping, but it's fine. Fine, we'll be patient. Yeah, we're just waiting right now. The waiting game. You got any
Yes.
questions? Any concerns, bro? I'm here to ask whatever you need, like whatever you questions you may have. I'm here to help you, bro.
The truth is, I it's more like I just want to start from the scratch, right?
Start from scratch, okay?
I'm
Okay.
telling you.
This is scratch, bro. This is it. I'm giving you the sauce of the rib. Like, forget everything you know. We're gonna teach you the right way. Like for me to come to this strategy, it took me years. This is like years of my experience, dude. It's like everything I have learned applied in one strategy. I'm applying risk management. I'm applying the candlestick patterns, the divergence. I'm applying order blocks, ICT concepts. I'm applying what else am I applying here? Trade management too. I'm gonna talk to you about trade management. Like once you're in the trade, you know you gotta manage the trade correctly. Once you're in profit, you know all that stuff is gonna come into play. Like you wanna have a good entry. You wanna have like in the always like buy in the discount area, always sell in the premium area. Always take that into consideration. Like ICT, bro, ICT is the man. We all learn from ICT at the end of the day.
Mhm.
Like, a lot of this stuff is from ICT
Yeah.
and also from all my other mentors that they have taught me. But I think the biggest key at the end of the day, brother, is just applying good risk management, bro. As long as you apply good risk management, we're gonna be straight.
You're good.
We're gonna be straight.
Hmm.
Why? Because like I said, you could take 10, 20 L's and you only lost 2, 3% max, you know, and then you get that one trade that gives you 3% profit. So you make back up everything you lost. And also you gotta have
True.
mindset. It's all about having self-control. You gotta control your mind. Because what happens when you over leverage, what happens is that you take a big L, so you lose like 1%. And at that point, you shouldn't trade no more for that day. That should be a rule. Like once you lose 1% for the day, turn
You're
your
done.
computer off. Turn your laptop off, shut down the MT4. Don't trade no more that day because after that, you're psychologically like not fit to trade. You're not there in your mind, you're not right now because you're gonna make mistakes.
Yeah.
At that point, you're upset, or maybe you're sad, or maybe you want a revenge trade. You don't want to trade when you're feeling that way. That's another thing I want to talk to you about, like mindset. Mindset is super key, brother.
True. I agree with you.
Mindset. So you gotta have a trading plan. You gotta have a trading plan. Like, okay, what's my goal for today? I want to make 1, 2, 3%. You know, okay, if I lose 1% today, that's it. I'm done. If I lose, oof, look at that drop. Look at that drop.
Oh.
Let's go. Oof, I missed it. I missed the drop. Let's see if it gives us another entry. We came to the 100% area. Let's risk it for the biscuit. Let me wait. Let me wait. Be patient. Let's see what Nancy's gonna do. Holding, it's holding. It's too late. I wanna catch it like a little lower. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. No, Nasi's still dropping. We wait. Still dropping. Yep. It's gonna tank more. It's gonna tank some more. So what that means, it's gonna break that low. Yep, it broke that low. So it's gonna go
Mm-hmm.
even lower. Yeah, well, you gotta be patient. But right now, it's showing divergence. See right here, it didn't break that low. Here it broke the low. Let's see this one. This one broke the low. So I'm gonna go ahead and risk a standard at that low. And just put my stop loss right here. Why? Because I saw the divergence. I saw the divergence. See, that's what I like to see.
Not
Right
on
here.
us.
Right here, look, Nas, it took the lows, right?
Yeah.
There. Right here, it took the low. But US 30 didn't take the low yet. So I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it. That's what I like to see, like something like that, some divergence. So as long as, okay, let me just see. We need both of them to start shooting up. We need all of them to shoot up now. If not, it's gonna continue going in lower. It might even go to this 100%. It might even go down here. Yep. So at this point, I have my stop loss set at that low. Yep. I think I'm gonna exit this trade.
Whoa.
See, hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna exit that trade. Let's see. Still haven't broke that low completely. Now it's breaking it. Now it's taking that low out. Let's see. It's like right there. It's literally like right there. We needed to shoot up now. Like it's now or never.
Mm.
It's now or never. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Come on. Let's go. Come on. It's now or never. There's like the song that like is like the now or never song. Do or die. Like I literally have
Yeah.
that in my other fifths. In my other fifths, I think that's what they're called, do or die. That area is
Do or
called do or
die.
die. Yeah, that area is called the 100% is the do or die.
Mm-hmm.
Oof, I really want to drop something heavy here too. But it just took those lows out nasty though. It's nasty the way it took those lows out. Yeah, it took those lows out pretty nasty. It's doing the same thing it did to me yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday did the same thing to me. Like just like the same, I'm going through the same thing. I thought it was gonna go up, and it just kept falling and falling and falling.
The
It's been super bearish.
market that the market will do whatever it wants to do.
Yeah, but it's doing practically the same thing it did to me yesterday. Then I ended up catching like one good trade, and I just left. I made 2% and I was out. I made up the losses with one trade and I left. You know, because you don't want to over trade either. Like once you're up a bag, just leave. Leave the market. That's part of your trading plan. Once you're up 1, 2, 3%, you're done for the day. You don't need to trade no more. Hmm. Seems like he wants to come back. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. No, no, not that way. The other way. The other way. Uh-oh. It's gonna break that low. Yeah, I'm closing this trade. Is it gonna break
Yeah.
that low? Seems like it's about to break that low. Literally just broke it. Yeah, this trade is going, it's gonna hit stop loss. So before it hits stop loss, I'm just gonna close it. Let me see. Do I close it or wait? Yeah, I think I'm gonna close it now. We'll find another entry.
Mhm.
It is what it is. No, now it's
It is
shooting
what
up.
it
Oh
is.
hell no! Don't tell me it's gonna shoot up. Nah, it wants to drop more. So we took a L today. We're down 0.20%. It's not too bad. 0.20%, we could live with that. But see, I took a L, but it wasn't a crazy L. You know, it's we could.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why? Because I was risking accordingly. So most likely now, since he took that low out, we'll wait for another entry, yo. US 30 is not being nice to me lately. I don't know. I thought we
Mhm.
were friends, US 30. So go
Uh,
ahead. See.
but on US 30 on the 1 hour, there's a fair
Bearish.
value gap.
Fair value gap in the 1 hour. Let me see. I see gaps over here. Like there's a lot of gaps up top. Bunch of gaps up top. Got this gap from yesterday too.
Mm.
Got a bunch of liquidation up there. I'm just gonna watch. I'm gonna get some crazy entry. I know I'm gonna get my entry. We're gonna get paid. Just gotta be patient.
Yeah.
Gotta be patient. We're gonna catch this trade. Wow, she was dropping. I should have just been on a sell. It's dropping nasty. Oof, that's a nasty drop. Let's see my fibs. We're at the 61%. What about here? Wow, you might even take this low out. I have a feeling it's gonna go for that low.
Yeah. I think it's going for that low.
Yeah. Nas is not there yet. So we wanna wait for the market to come down here for the next entry. We'll wait for these lows to come. Let it come to those lows. That's our next do or die. So we did our do or die in this low, right? We failed. You know, we hit the stop loss. It was a good buy. You know, it was a good buy because it was at the low. It was at a discount, and
Yeah.
unfortunately, it broke through it. You know, it broke through that resist. It broke through it. It broke through that support. So now the next area of support is gonna be down here. Just gotta wait. We'll wait. It's gonna give us an entry watch. Waiting.
Yeah. So wait.
Still dropping. Wow. Dropping nasty. So with GA, we need GA to drop too. What's up with the dollar? What's the dollar doing? The dollar is hmm, hmm, it's almost at that high right here. And EU's at that high too. At that low, at that high. EU could be a buy this week. Oh shit, here we go. It's making the move. Don't leave without us. Hold up. It's crazy how they move, right? The same. So that's why I use them all together for extra confirmations.
Mm.
Let's just wait though. Yeah, I still got all this liquidity down here. A lot of liquidity still. Oh wait. Just wait it out. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Let's wait. Dropping still. So we needed to come at least to that area down here. Got this wick right there. I like that. That wick on the 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah. Seems like it wants to push back up.
Yeah. Oh, for London session, there's Euro news, there's GBP news also.
Oh yeah, today we got some good news. Wanna catch this weight right here, get that sniper entry. That would be lovely. So I'll probably do, if it keeps continuing to drop, I'll probably do like another entry in these areas, right? I'll do like, the last one will be here. So one entry here, one entry around here, and another one here. Cause like it's already at the discount, right? Like I spoke about that.
Yeah.
If you go to 50, that's the discount. So this whole area is a premium, is a discount zone. So we're gonna buy. I will start like risking like a small here, right? Cause the stop loss is bigger.
Okay.
And as it goes down, I'll risk more down here. Cause the stop loss is gonna be tighter. So we just waiting once again, the waiting game. Yeah, I think the news is at 2 a.m., right? There's news at 2 a.m. Let me check. Forex Factory. At 3:15. The first one's at 3:15. Tuesday.
15, right?
Yeah, in 2 hours. 2 hours. Yo, let's go. GA is dropping. Let's go, GA. Just die. I need you to die, GA. Yo, if he catches this trade, bro, my man's gonna be so happy. That's gonna
Yeah.
it's gonna boost his confidence up. And meanwhile, I'm over here messing up the account. No, but I sometimes I go in a good streak, bro. I take some L's, but then something clicks and I start going on a nice little streak, you know? I just
Mhm.
gotta control myself. Once I go to 2% profit, 1% profit, that's it.
You're out.
Don't trade no more. That's what I'm trying to go for. Like so far, I'm down 0.20% for the day. I'm trying to get like at least 0.5%, 1%. That's my target for the day. And I would love to do it in the live call with you guys. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
We could always catch the trades together. But last week, I had a really incredible week last week. Last week we did really good. Like all the
Oh, really?
other videos in YouTube, I think I sent you the YouTube link. You could see all the trades.
Yeah. Yes, I saw it.
We caught some really good trades last week. This week, it's been a little choppy. Market's been very bearish, messing with my mind. It's been so bearish. Look at that. Super bearish. Oof. Just the daily, the weekly. That's a lot of liquidity to the downside. It is at this order block though. Got that order block right there. I like this area for buys. I'm not gonna lie. So let's wait. Yeah, but if I take probably one more L, like after this one, I probably won't be trading no more because that's going to be like 0.5% of the account. So that's like the rule, right? You lose 0.5% to 1% a day, you don't trade no more. Because after that, you're just revenge trading.
Yeah, true.
I'm just gonna wait a little longer. Try to catch one more entry down there, like the area down here. But I think it's actually gonna take that low out. Gonna take that low out. Something like that. Probably take that low for London and then shoot up. That would love to see that. Or at least get that entry at that low, have it come over here, and get that sniper entry we're looking for, right? That sell.
Mm-hmm.
That's two possible options. Super bearish. So bearish.
Yeah, very bearish.
Gotta close this trade. And just wait for another one. We'll wait for another entry because it looks too bearish right now.
Mm.
Okay, we got a little hammer showing. Never mind. Got a little hammer here, little hammer right there too. Hammer. Got a hammer right there. Just want some extra confirmations though. Where we at in the fibs? We're in a good area, yo, for the buy. Let's see this one. Yeah, we're in a really good area for buys. I like this area for buys. I'll go back in.
Okay.
Right. Let's try to catch this right up. So we're risking this much, like 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, more or less. 1, 2, 4. Yep. We're risking 40, so 4 pips to catch 12. To catch 11. That's straight. 4 to 11. That's straight. But remember, I'm not over leveraging, guys. That's the reason I'm able to take so many L's.
Yeah.
Because just one trade will make up all those L's. I'm not worried. Buying US30. See, he's buying US30 too. So he's seeing the same thing. See, these are the signals I'll be sharing with you guys in Well, you, since you pay for the community, right? I'll be putting them
Yeah.
here. Are you sure? These signals, I'll put them here. These are the signals from my chats.
Okay.
That's Johnny Scalp King. Bro, his mentorship is $3,000.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Like to be in that chat that I'm in right here, people pay top dollar, like $3,000 type shit.
Wow.
He's a multi-million dollar trader. He's only 23 years old.
Are you for real?
I'm serious. I'm serious, bro. Look at his Instagram. He caught $1 million trade. He caught this whole drop from up here. No, actually, he caught it from up here. He sold over here. He sold US 30 when he was here, and then he wrote it like all the way down here. He made like I think it was like $1.3 million on that trade.
What? Are you for real?
I'm serious. I
That's
was there.
crazy.
I was there. I was there with him when he called it. We were in Cancun.
So did he just call it buy on US 30?
Yeah, he did. So he's looking. He sees the same thing we're seeing. So we're not too far
Yeah.
behind. You know, he's seeing the same thing. But we
Mhm.
look at his stop loss. He's also all about risk management. 33,025. You know, as a guy I learned from 33,0. So let's see where his stop loss is at.
32, 33,025.
So it's a tight stop loss. He's a scalper. That's what they call him the scalp king. So 32,025. So I think he saw more or less the same stop loss we have. Let's see.
Yeah.
So he trades a lot like me. Like I learned from him. It's actually his stop loss is a little lower. Let me see. I know it's 33,032. 33,032. So 33,0
So
super tight. You see his stop loss is super tight. Me, I'm giving more room to breathe. Because I'm not risking that much. The reason his stop loss is so tight is because he's probably dropping like 30s. Knowing him, he's dropping like 100 standards. He'll drop something
yeah.
crazy. He's dropping something
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah, he's lit. He's really lit. I learned a lot from him. But he's still dropping. US 30's been playing so much games, bro. Playing games. Stop loss hit. See, his stop loss was super tight. Why? Because he's over leveraging. He's like done trading for this week. He had a rough week.
Mhm.
Look, a multi-million dollar trader, and he lost money. You know, his losses are bigger than us.
Yeah.
While we're losing 50, $100, he's losing 4,000 bucks.
Wow.
But we're being patient. My stop loss is a little lower. Why? Because I learned how to trade this way too. Like I learned from him, I learned from other mentors, and they always taught me, Mike, your stop loss always goes below the low. I'm like, okay, bet. Your stop loss should always be below the lows. Or if you're gonna drop or in top of the highs. So if you're selling, your stop loss should be here. If you're buying, your stop loss should be below the lows.
Yeah.
And that's why you gotta risk accordingly. You cannot risk too much either. You know, you gotta risk accordingly. Always take that into consideration before you go in a trade. How much am I going to risk? He's gonna be mad if this trade goes up. And I'll be sharing the signals also from Rice Academy as well.
I will appreciate, bro.
Yeah, I must share all my signals. Don't worry. And then you got the signals from my team too. My team is always dropping fire signals. So if you go to
Okay.
if you go to this chat, where he at? Right here. Him, Yomi, Heaven Bliss.
Yeah.
He's the one. He's the one that's gonna be J Pro. He's gonna be dropping fire signals for you. Like just look at his charts.
Okay.
All you gotta do is look at his charts. You know, he's letting you know where to sell from. This guy G Dub has his phase one and phase two account thanks to all just his markups. Because he drops fire markups. His whole team is from Nigeria. Most of his team is from Nigeria. And those guys are flipping accounts. Like they're flipping $5, $10 accounts into like 200, $300.
Whoa.
Yeah, dude, like there's some sauce in that chat. There's a lot of sauce in that chat. Look at this guy.
Well,
So he got a $14 account and it's already in $40.
I'm not in this group.
Yeah, I added you. Yeah,
Okay.
you should be here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The thing is, I can see the charts that you guys had previously.
Oh, okay. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, but you are here. You are here, bro.
Yeah.
You are there, bro. Don't worry.
That's what matters right now.
You're surrounded by a lot of hardcore individuals, bro. Like my friend that called me, he called me a warrior. Well, these guys,
Hmm.
they're warriors too, bro. Like these are like they're amazing individuals. They never gonna give up either. Like we on that grind. And we only get better
Wow.
through time. We only get better.
True.
So it's
Only get better.
here. Dude, I got your back, bro. I got your back for life.
Thank you so much.
You got it, my brother. We like with me, you got a team for life, bro. I'm never gonna quit. I'm gonna be doing this forever. Once I make it, you gonna make it too, bro. Like everybody makes it. When I make
Yeah.
it, everybody's gonna make it. Why? Because
Yeah.
I'm not leaving no man behind.
Hmm.
We're like
I
Navy,
love it.
we're like Navy SEALs, bro. We're like Navy SEALs. We're not gonna leave nobody behind. The only
I
people that
love
we
this.
gonna leave behind is the people that gave up. Those they do stay behind just because they gave up. It's
Hmm.
not my fault you gave up.
Yeah.
I've seen
I
so
love
many
this.
people give up, bro.
Yeah, a whole lot. A whole lot.
They give up, bro. Like it's like that little thing that we saw earlier. The guy said they want to be multi-million-dollar traders. They want to make money like the president, but they're not willing to like put in work like the president, right?
So yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Like there's gonna be one day you catch that $100 million trade, or like that $1 million trade, like Johnny. Like it's
Hmm.
possible. I saw it. I witnessed it. I saw it. I saw the trade. I saw the trade. I saw the $1 million trade, bro. It was amazing. See if we could find it. Probably gonna take forever to load. There's so many pictures. That was when back in. That was a while ago.
Is Yomi one of the guys that you're talking about?
Johnny, this
Yomi?
guy. No, Yomi is
Yeah.
Yomi's in the other chat. He's my in my FX, my team.
Oh,
Yomi,
okay.
Yomi is the guy that's gonna give you the fire markups. This guy,
Yeah.
he's gonna give you the fire markups. That's my day one right there, bro. He never gave up.
Hmm.
So we're waiting, we waiting.
Yeah.
I like this. I like this Wix right there. Let's see what else is showing. What is this chat? I don't know. I've been in this chat. I don't know what's the value. Oh hell no. Sounds like a scam. Excuse me for a second. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick, okay?
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Take your time.
Alright, back. My bad, bro.
No, that's fine.
Let's continue to watch the market together. Let's see. Let's see if we get blessed. I do have a feeling we're gonna get blessed.
Yeah, I believe so too.
Just gotta wait it out a little longer. Why it's still dropping. Super bearish. What, it's at the 100% already. So this is where we want to see a divergent. So right here, boom. This is where I want to see the divergent. So it might do the turtle soup, right? That we spoke about. You know what a turtle soup is when he takes out the when he takes out the low, right?
Hello, yeah.
So this is the turtle soup over here. So you got the turtle. This will be the turtle, right? That's the shell. That's the head
Yeah.
of the turtle. That's the little legs. And then you have your soup.
Mm.
That's the soup. So here you got the spoon going into the soup. And you got like a guy drinking from it. But with the turtle soup.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I get that.
So we're waiting for a nice little turtle soup. Like wait for those to get taken out. Right here, we waiting for that. Right here, we got the divergence. I really want to take another entry on this trade, which I will. Right there. Now we just wait. Yeah, after this, if the market don't give us anything, tough luck, right? It is what it is.
It is what it is.
We did our best. We risked a little bit. We didn't risk too much. I'm on point, let's see, 0.5% for the losses for the day, which is not too bad. My max risk for the day is 1%, right? So I'm still okay.
Yes, yeah, you're still in the range.
I still got room to play with. Just waiting right now. Let's see. But it did do like a, let me see, did it do the divergent? No, I haven't done it yet. Kind of did. Let me see. Got that low, got taken out here. You hold that low strong. What about here? Right there, we have a divergent. We do have a divergent here. That's a divergent. Right here, boom, boom. This one didn't get taken out. So that was a sniper entry right there. So we got a good entry. If we continue to go up, this is gonna be a really good entry. Because from here, it has potential to go at least to here. So that will put us back up for the day. Just with this trade, if we do catch it, that will put us back up. Let's check out the GA trade. How's this doing? We got the 3, 1, 2, probably the sniper entry right there. Okay, we're good. So what about pattern recognition? There's another video I want you to watch too, bro. This is gonna help you out a lot. Understanding understanding the pattern that I work with is oh, I think I saw it. I got it pinned somewhere. My team right here. This video. I'm gonna forward. I'm gonna forward it here. Boom. That video is important.
Okay.
That's the strategy I'll be using. It's also part of the strategy. The 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3. That's part of it.
Okay.
The stock guy. He does a really good explanation, and it's not even that long.
Okay. I'll check it out. Definitely.
That's and you already watch ICT, right? You watched the mentorship from this year?
No.
You need to watch this as well. So this Forex.com. That's important. If you need to go through all those videos because we're practically learning from him as well. He's another one of our mentors. So he did a whole season this whole year for free. The whole mentorship is free this year. So check it out. That's your homework. That one and that one. And that's it, dude. Whatever questions you have, drop them in the chat. All these guys are very knowledgeable. Everybody knows a lot. Like you're surrounded by a bunch of like people that they've been putting in work. So whatever questions you have, besides me, you have a lot of other people that was willing to help you too.
Noted.
Hey, we in profit finally. Let's see how long does this last. All right. That looks good. Looking good, looking good. All right, continue. See, now it's shooting up. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. Boom. When the market just goes my way. Like buy, boom. Now we in profit. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go. We needed to break that high. Right here. We needed to break this high. Come on, break that high for me. We needed to break this high too. Come on, break those highs. If it breaks those highs, we're good. We might catch another right up. Okay, XPX broke the high. Nas broke the high. Let's go. I like that. I like that. I like that. Now we just need US 30 to follow.
Mhm.
I knew I should have dropped more on that one. It's okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. My phone's dying. Okay, we're in profit. We're in profit. We just needed to keep shooting up.
Mm.
But you see how important it is to use proper risk management? Because look how many L's I took. I took already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 L's, and I'm only down like 0.5%. That's why that's why it's important to take proper risk management. Because this one trade, if we catch it right, it's gonna make up for the L's and more.
True.
We're gonna make 1% of this trade. So we lost 0.5%, but if we catch this trade all the way up again, it's 0.5%, 1%. So we lost 0.5%, but one trade made up for the 0.5% plus more. That's why it's so important to use proper risk management, bro. That's the
Yeah.
stuff. If you want to learn anything from me, like I'm gonna talk about that every class. But it's so that's why I talk about it so much, because it's so important.
It is.
Like that's the reason these guys are having tremendous success, bro. They're flipping, like I said, they're flipping $10 accounts into 40, 50, 100, 200, 400 bucks.
Wow.
That's crazy.
It is.
Look, he had a balance of 14 bucks. Now he's 40 bucks in profit. He's flipping $10 accounts. In Nigeria, that's a lot of money.
It is.
They're savages, bro. Look,
But
flipping
but do you
accounts.
do you trust them to manage account for someone?
No, no, no. The only one that
Good.
that manages accounts for the team is Williams.
Okay.
And Williams has over 5 years of trading experience.
Okay.
At one point, he was managing like half a million in $500,000. He was managing. That's why I trust him. He knows how to deal with those big numbers. All these guys, they're still students. They're all students. All these guys are students. The only one that manages accounts for the team right now is Williams. That's the only guy I trust. Because I've seen the results. I've been watching him. I've been trading with him. I know the guy already for over 8 months, and I know how he is. And I've been coaching him too as well. I've been talking to him a lot. He listens. He learns. He's a really good trader. So for account management, Williams, bro. Do not go with nobody else.
Okay, I get that.
It's not that I don't trust them. It's that I haven't worked with them as much as I did with Williams, you know?
No, I completely understand what you're saying, bro. You when it comes to your phone, you don't want to give it to anyhow, no matter how good the person is.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
you don't just want to hand it over to the person because uh, people can be very funny when they are handling your accounts. You have to be disciplined to handle other people's accounts.
I agree.
Be- Because once you have this feeling it's not your money, then you can go ahead and take a risk. Then that's where the problem is.
That's where the problem is. Facts.
Yeah, yeah. No, NAS is moving, right?
Yeah, yeah, we're waiting. It actually, I like what I saw. It broke those highs.
Yeah.
It's breaking market structure. So that's what we want to see. You got the EMAs crossing over too, right here. You got the red going over the blue. That's
Mhm.
good. Here too, they're all crossing over. So it's changing trend. That's good. That's a good sign. Now we just wait. It's a waiting game.
Yes, it is.
Let's see how far we can take this trade. As far as I know, what time is it? It's 2. So it might pull up. Yeah, it might pull back up again one more time. Take all these sellers out and then drop again. That would be perfect. That would be a perfect move. But before he leaves, maybe before he leaves, he might come back down again, take these buyers out because they're greedy.
Mm.
They're greedy.
Mhm.
So they'll come, take these buyers out, and then shoot up again. Right? So that's two possibilities.
Yeah.
But maybe we caught the sniper entry. Let's see. Maybe we caught the one we were looking for. It's funny at the 100% retracement, like that's where the stuff happens with US 30. The 100%
Yeah.
retracement.
Retracement. Yeah.
That's really gonna be the key areas for you to go in. Always at the lowest low, lowest low or the highest high.
Mm.
How long you been trading already, bro? Already quite a while, right?
Yeah, quite a while, but I mean, I've been off and on. After I joined the group, then I just went off immediately, like, So I'm just getting back actually. That was when I sent you a message to say, hey,
Yeah.
bro. Yeah.
Well, welcome back, brother.
Thank you.
Sure. We're gonna grind all the whole year, rest of the year. We got like 3 months left of this year. 3 months,
Mhm.
3 months. Yeah. What is it? 9, 10, 11. We got like 4 months.
4 months, 4.
4 months left. So we're gonna finish the year real strong. We're gonna
By,
finish the year real strong and build
by God's
momentum for
grace.
the next year. We're gonna build momentum for the next year. Like that when the next year comes, 2023, we're gonna destroy 2023. 2022,
Yes.
2022 was tough, but 2023, we're gonna destroy it.
Yeah. We're finishing it strong.
Yeah, we
We're,
are gonna
we're,
finish
we're,
strong.
we're going to start 2023. We're going to start strong. We'll finish strong.
Yes, sir.
Stronger. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna build momentum. So when the next year starts, we're ready. We're gonna be ready.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have improved so much, bro. I'm so grateful, man. Like the life has been good. It was a tough year, but it's been good. It's been a lot of good lessons. We needed those
Mm-hmm.
lessons just to make the
Mm.
team better.
Yeah.
All right, so right now we got a nice
Bro.
pullback coming through. So another re-entry will be nice to see it come again to 100%. Like come down here again. Like come down here again. Right there. Want to see it come back over here. That would be a nice re-entry. That would be a really nice re-entry area. We're waiting. We're in profit. We are in profit, so let's wait. Oh, we're just waiting. But that's basically a strategy, bro. You saw me take the trades. You saw me use proper risk management. You know the key
Yes.
areas that I like. You know that I like to see divergence. I like to see
Yeah.
like shooting stars, hammers. You saw all the stuff that I like to see.
Yeah. I saw it all.
You see like a hammer right there. That's what the stuff we want to see. We want to see a change of trend. You know, that's indicating a change of trend right there. Hammer, hammer, hammer. So that's the stuff we're looking for, more or less. Now you know the strategy, bro. It's not that difficult.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about patience, risk management, and that's it. And like looking for the little key things that I look for, like the lows, the lower lows, the wicks, and the highest highs. And try to catch a nice like small stop loss entries. Like I don't want to risk too much either. Always small stop loss.
True.
We're in profit. Let's go. Doing good, bro. It's doing good. So good
Yeah,
trade.
it is.
So far, so good. Now we just needed to continue to climb. What's up with this trade? GA, how's that going? GA, boom, boom. Put that with that. There you go. No, I don't even know how he caught this trade to tell you the truth, because to me it looked like a buy, but he trusted himself. He's like, yo, it's gonna sell. Trust me, it's gonna be like, okay, trust him. But that's what it takes, confidence. You know, I didn't want to take his confidence away. He said, yo, like I trust myself on this, like I know it's gonna drop, okay? Say less.
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the day, this game's about confidence. You gotta trust yourself. Trust your
Yes.
analysis. Don't worry about what nobody says. If you see something, you see it and trust yourself. Because I've done that mistake so many times that I trust somebody else with my analysis, and I had a good bias, and I get out of the trade too early because he said he was gonna sell or something. So at the end of the
Yeah.
day, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's your trade.
Yes, it is. 100%.
Uh-huh. Like I'm just speaking from my experience, you know, everything I've been through, just trying to share it with you. All my experiences, because that's what's gonna take you to the next level, you know. I'm pretty sure you've been through some battles too, you've been through some war, but you're
Mhm.
battle tested as well. I'm sure I'll be able to
Yeah.
learn from you in the future. When you talk to me, I'm gonna listen. Like you're gonna teach me stuff too, bro. I'm willing to listen to everybody.
Mm.
There's something to learn from everybody, bro. Like doesn't matter who.
True. I agree with you.
That's why we always gotta stay humble too, bro. Like once you think you know everything, that's when you're gonna stop learning. Always stay
Yes.
humble. Always stay humble. Always stay a student. Always have your coachability index high. Always learning.
Mm.
Let's go. Come on. Shoot, take those highs out. I do a pullback. Okay, here comes the pullback. If he does a pullback, bro, it's gonna be nice. See, we got some fire traders in the squad.
Mm.
That XU you called out was fire. Yomi. Telling you, he's a beast.
Yummy, right?
Uh-huh. His markups are on point. Yomi's a beast.
We call it sell on gold, right?
He did the setup on gold. This setup right there. And now this guy's on profit.
Whoa.
Beast mode.
When did he drop that?
In the Traders Virtual Island, you're here too. I added you there too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. I'm asking when did he drop it?
Oh,
When?
when did he drop it? Today. He dropped it today at 156.
Whoa. Okay.
So he dropped it like a little bit ago. Oh no, maybe he dropped it 156 yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. 156 a.m. yesterday.
Okay.
All right, we eating. We eating of this US 30 play. I should have dropped 100 lots. I would have been up a bag right now. And I told myself I was gonna drop more and I didn't. See, I got scared. Gotta work on that. Hey, we eating. Let's go.
Yeah, it's moving.
Let's go. What I like to see. Start with GJ. I need GJ to go up.
You need GJ to go up.
I need GJ because I'm in a trade with another account with GJ on a buy right here. Trying to get this buy. If it goes the TP, I would like to TP.
I think it's still gonna come down before they move up.
It might drop more, right?
Yeah.
Minus 24.66. Man, I don't use trading view. I don't know. I think I see a dot there. I think it's minus 24. Minus 24.165. But then the other one says minus 24. What is this, gold? No, yeah. I believe it's like that. $1 in gold is 100 pips.
Yeah, I think so.
So it does make sense. It makes sense what I'm looking at. It says 24 pips, but every 24 pips, if you put 24 times 100, that's 2,416. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in profit, bro. We're in major profit. There you go. See, we caught that entry we wanted. We're in profit. See, these are the sniper entries though that I want. Here, I should have had risked a lot more. That little sniper entry because it was such a tight stop loss. I should have, instead of dropping a 0.5, I should have had risked more because now I would have been able to take some partials and then leave some runners.
Yes.
So that's the key right there in those areas. I think that's too high. For trading challenges, suggest only between, this thing is in my way, between 0.5% to 1% max. But maybe his trading game is on point that good, so he's comfortable risking that much.
Maybe.
Yeah, we're eating. We're eating right now. Let's see, we're eating. Yeah, we're eating, bro. We're eating. And we hadn't even gotten to where we wanted to go to over here. But it's at this gap though. There's a gap right there. That's gonna be a challenging area. Right there, that gap. We have the gap over here as well. So it could be filling that gap to drop again. It's a possibility.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So it's 2 a.m. now. 1 more hour to London. So that's what we want. We want to catch like a nice entry before London. Because at London, the market goes crazy. So
Yeah,
right before London, we Gucci because the market moves slow. But during London, that's when we're gonna get the real move. At London Open. Wow, we got a really good buy, bro. Still shooting up too. But you like the way I trade more or less, like the strategy?
Right.
The strategy is pretty simple, right? As of right now, my predictions are 50% right, and I calculate my risk percentage within 10 to 20 pips. That's fire. I still think he's risking way too much though. 1 to 3%. That's too high. Because if he loses 2 or 3 in a row, that's already gonna be 3% to 12%.
So
You gotta take that into consideration too. As many as my prediction, 50% right, and I calculate my risk. So his predictions are 50% right. So that means out of every 2 trades, he's losing 1 trade. That's
yeah.
that's pretty high. It's pretty high. But let's see what else. Just trying to get him advice, you know. But he's been working on a strategy that he's confident enough to risk that much. That's fine.
True.
He's been trading for a while too. Bullshit. But if he's risking 50%, if he's 1 to 3%, so that means when he do win, he's winning pretty big. He probably catches big.
Yeah.
That's what it is too. So he could afford it. Let's go. He's a legendary.
Hmm.
Legendary. Let's go. Let's go. The whole spot eating, bro. It's a legendary. So we waiting. It's probably gonna see tested that cap. Now it's coming back. Let's see what do you want to do now? US 30. Trying to come back again. You already know. Put in this work. Got a nice retracement. We eating. We're still on the buy. Got the retracement going right now. Need to continue shooting up. That's our TP right there. Let's go. You already know. Put in this work. Wow. What a pullback. What a pullback that is. Let's go. Needed to shoot up now. Pull back. Come on. Come on. Are you trying to take those buyers out? Oh, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hmm.
US steady had a pullback back to entry.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm. Right there. That's the entry we want. That's the entry we want. It's the entry we want. Come on. Needed to hold strong. Hold strong.
what was the stop loss again?
Stop loss is gonna be below the low. Never mind. This thing just died. Nah, this thing died, bro. This thing just died on us. Don't even go, don't touch it. It's gonna melt.
It's going down.
I'm not going one more time. Just but that's the last trade of the night. Killed us. Killed us today, boy. Come on, we're using a nice little run. There you go. Let's go. Took out the buyers. Took anybody that was buying here. It took them out nasty. Also huge manipulation. Yo, US 30s ain't been good to me at all this week.
Here are other things you can try.
It's alright though. Yo, it's so bearish, yo. US 30 is just disgusting today, boy. No breaks. This is the last trade of the night. If this doesn't go the way we want it to, I think that's it for the night, brother.
Look quick.
So much just bearish, bro. So bearish. So bearish. Killed us. Killed us. US 30 is a murderer. Alright, brother. I think that's it for the night. We'll get back up top tomorrow.
All right, bro.
Alright, my brother.
Thank you.
You got it, my brother.